Hello students, how are you? Welcome to part 4, Place Value. Our topic today is ascending and descending order. So students, as you already know that ascending order means arranging things or numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Just look at this picture over here. Is this in ascending order? Yes. Let's read what's written on this slide. Ascending order to arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So students, as you can see over here, we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now, look at the first number over here. 1000. Second, 2000. The third one, 3000, and the fourth one is 4000. So as you can see, we have gone from the smallest number, which is 1000, to the greatest number, which is 4000. Let's look at the next example. 2300, then we have 3400, then 4567, and then 7856. So we have gone from the smallest number, which is 2300, to the greatest number, which is 7856. Look at this picture over here, students. This is what descending order means. It means arranging things from the biggest to the smallest, as you can see. Students, let's read descending order to arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So students, I just want you to read the first number over here. 4000. Yes. So from 4000, we went to 3000, 2000, and then finally 1000. So we have actually arranged all these numbers, students, from the greatest number, which is 4000, to the smallest number, which is 1000. Now let's look at the next example. Over here, the greatest number is 7856. So we have put it first, or we have arranged it in a way that it comes first over here, and then second is 4567, then it is 3400, and finally we have the smallest number, which is 2300. So students, I just want you to look at these numbers. As you can see, we have arranged these numbers from the greatest, from the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, class 3. Are we ready to practice? So let's begin. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. So as you can see, we have 4 numbers over here. All 4 of them are 4-digit numbers, and we need to arrange them in ascending order and descending order. Now students, in our previous video, we have learned how to compare numbers when there are same number of digits. So we will be applying our understanding and arranging numbers in ascending and descending order. So let's begin. Okay, now we know that ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So as you can see, out of all these 4 numbers over here, let me just underline them. Now out of all these 4 numbers, the smallest number is 2222. So it will come first. Now let me just cross this out for understanding purposes. Now look over here. We have 3 numbers. Now out of these 3 numbers, which is the smallest number? It is 6677. So let me just cross it out again so that we can conveniently, easily understand. Now we have two numbers remaining, 9,890 and 8,712. Now out of these, which is the smallest number? Well, it is 8,712, which we have put over here. And let's just cross it out over here. Now, as you can see, we are left with one number only. This one remaining number is indeed the greatest number in our series over here. So we have put it over here. So this is how we arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now, for ease of understanding, let me just erase this so that we can focus on descending order. Now, students, we already know that descending order means arranging numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Now, out of these four numbers over here, which is the greatest number? Did you say 9,890? Excellent. So let's put it first. We have put it over here. And now let's cross it out. Again, we are just doing it so that we can understand better. We don't get confused by this number which we have already taken. Now, out of these three numbers, which is the greatest number? Well, it is 8,712. Cross it out over here and we put it over here. Now, out of these two numbers, which is the greatest, or let's say which is the greater number out of these two? It is 6,677. We put it over here and we put a cross over here. Now, as you can see, by default, we are left with this number 2,222, which also happens to be our smallest number amongst all these numbers. So this is how we have arranged it in descending order. Now, students, if you understood this and you got it right, then I have to tell you something. Well done, students. Congratulations. You are doing an awesome job. And this is what I wanted to tell you. And if you want to read more, you can go on page 18 and read it. So, students, with this, we come to an end. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.